In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ublock Origin back on Chrome 140 and fix it when it's been turned off. Let's start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. First, we want to check whether Ublock Origin is actually still installed, just disabled, or if it was completely removed. To do that, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click on the three vertical dots to open the main menu. From that menu, hover over Extensions. Then click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to Chrome's Extensions page, where all your installed extensions are listed. On this page, look carefully for Ublock Origin. If you see it there, but the little toggle switch is set to off, that means Chrome has turned it off. Go ahead and click that toggle so it turns blue, which means the extension is now enabled again. Once you've done that, Ublock Origin should immediately start working in your open tabs. If the icon doesn't show up right away in the toolbar, you may need to click the puzzle piece icon in the top right and pin Ublock Origin so it's always visible. If you do not see Ublock Origin listed at all, it has likely been removed during an update or disabled by a policy. In that case, we'll reinstall it. Open a new tab and go to the Chrome Web Store by searching for Chrome Web Store Ublock Origin. Make sure you select the official Ublock Origin extension from a trusted publisher. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Then confirm by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up. After a few seconds, Chrome will finish installing Ublock Origin and its icon should appear in the top right. Again, if you don't see it, click the puzzle piece icon and use the pin button next to Ublock Origin so it's easy to access. At this point, it's a good idea to refresh any websites you already have open. This lets Ublock Origin start filtering content on those pages. You can click on the Ublock icon to confirm it's active. It should show you how many elements are being blocked on the current site. If Ublock Origin keeps turning off after you re-enable it, check that you're using the latest version of Chrome by going back to the three dots menu, choosing Help, then About Google Chrome, and allowing it to update. After updating, repeat the steps to re-enable or reinstall Ublock Origin. And that's it. By following these steps, you can restore Ublock Origin on Chrome 140 and get your ad blocking and content filtering back up and running.